Okay, I'm about to make pecan pie. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add 1 cup of granulated sugar to my bowl. One cup of Domino's granulated sugar. Then I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of light brown sugar. Then I'm going to add half a teaspoon of salt. Then I'm going to add 1 cup of maple syrup, pure maple syrup. Got 1 cup of pure maple syrup. Then I'm going to add 3 beaten eggs to it. 3 beaten eggs. Then I'm just going to whisk everything together. Then I'm going to add 3/4 of a tablespoon, 3/4 of a teaspoon of my homemade vanilla extract. Three-fourths of a tablespoon of my homemade vanilla extracts. This is those are vanilla beans. Those are from Madagascar vanilla. So I'm gonna take 1/4 of a teaspoon. 1, 2, 3. That's 3/4 of a teaspoon. I did 1/4 of a teaspoon 3 times. So now I'm just going to whisk everything together. Make sure everything is incorporated thoroughly, which it is. I'm going to set this to the side. Then I'm going to take my unbaked homemade pie crust. That's another video on how to make pie crust. That's a separate video. And I'm going to pour 1 cup of chopped pecans at the bottom of it. I just took a little bit out because that might be a little much. Then I'm going to pour this syrup mixture over top of the pecans. I'll make sure I get as much of it out as I can. Make sure I get as much of the syrup mixture out of it as I can. Then I'm going to add 1/3 of a cup of melted butter. Melted salted butter. Okay, so now I'm going to add 5 tablespoons of melted butter. Should have added this a little earlier. Then I'm just going to incorporate it, mix everything in. Like I said, I should have added this a little earlier, the melted butter. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I preheated my oven to 350 degrees. So I'm going to cover this with tin foil. I'm going to cover my pie with tin foil. And I'm going to put it in the oven and I'm going to bake it for 20 minutes. And then I'm going to bake it with the foil over it for half an hour. And then after half an hour, I'm going to remove the foil and bake it for another 20 minutes. And that's what you want. That's your pecan pie.